If you are watching this, you've already crossed a line that 99% of homeowners in America will never cross. You've stopped being a victim of the maintenance industrial complex. Right now, somewhere in your neighborhood, a homeowner is writing a check for $3,000 to a contractor to fix a driveway crack. They're being told it's a structural failure. They're being told they need industrial-grade polyurethane injection systems. It is a lie. It is a $14 billion lie. That is the current valuation of the concrete repair industry. By 2036, it will be $30 billion. You need to understand that this is not a service industry. It is an empire. And an empire cannot survive if the peasants realize they can fix their own kingdom with a $5 bag of powder and a spray bottle of water. Don't blink. Don't skip. Because if you leave this video now, you're going back to the cycle of planned obsolescence that has been draining your bank account since the day you signed your mortgage. We are opening the vault on the most successful scam in home improvement history. Subscribe and share this with anyone about to get an estimate. Because once you see how the Roman secret works, you will never pay for a concrete repair again. Why is your concrete cracking in the first place? You've been told it's settling. You've been told it's weather. Those are half-truths. The real reason is that modern concrete is engineered to fail. In 1824, Joseph Aspdin patented Portland cement. It became the global standard because it was cheap and fast. But Portland cement has a fatal flaw. It is chemically dead the moment it cures. It shrinks as it dries, creating microscopic hairline fractures before you even park your first car on it. These fractures are the industry's best friend. They act as straws, sucking in rainwater, sprinkler runoff, and snow melt. When that water freezes, it expands by exactly 9%. That expansion is a physical force that no modern concrete can withstand. It turns those dead fractures into live cracks, and that's when you panic. You see the crack, you think your house is falling down, and you call the first name on Google. The contractor arrives in a branded truck. He uses high-level vocabulary designed to intimidate you. He talks about hydrostatic pressure, tensile strength, and substrate delamination. He makes a simple repair sound like neurosurgery. Then, he charges you $1,800 for 10 minutes of work. What he doesn't tell you is that he is using a version of the exact same $15 bag of powder you can buy at Lowe's or Home Depot. Even worse, he won't seal it. He wants that crack to reopen in 3 years. He's not a repairman. He's a subscription service. Now look at the Pantheon in Rome. It has the largest unreinforced concrete dome in the world. It is nearly 2,000 years old. It has no steel rebar. It has survived earthquakes, floods, and the collapse of the Roman Empire itself. Why? Because the Romans didn't use dead concrete. They used a dynamic, self-healing system. In 2023, researchers at MIT finally solved the mystery that the concrete industry tried to ignore for a century. They found lime clasts, small white chunks of mineral, inside Roman concrete. For decades, modern engineers thought this was just poor mixing. They were wrong. These clasts are chemical batteries. When a crack forms in Roman concrete and water enters, it hits these lime clasts. The lime dissolves, reacts with the water, and recrystallizes as calcium carbonate. It literally grows back together. It heals itself. The industry knows this, but they can't patent volcanic ash. They can't create a 20-year warranty on a product that lasts 2,000 years. There is no recurring revenue in perfection. This is why the knowledge stays buried in academic journals, while you're sold bags of Portland garbage that is designed to crumble. You are going to fight back. To do that, you need the right materials. There are 3 specific powders that the industry fears most because they are affordable, permanent, and require zero professional skill. Option A, the hydraulic weapon. If you have a crack that is leaking water, or a deep void where a chunk of concrete has physically broken away, you need hydraulic cement. This is the closest thing we have to Roman technology. While modern cement shrinks and pulls away from the edges of a crack, hydraulic cement expands. It uses water as a catalyst to grow in volume. wedging itself into the crack so tightly that it becomes a structural part of the slab. It sets in 3 minutes. It is waterproof. It is harder than the concrete it's fixing. A 10-lb bucket costs less than a lunch at McDonald's. Option B, the vinyl matrix. For those spiderweb cracks that make a driveway look old, you use vinyl concrete patch. This isn't just cement. It's a polymer-modified powder. It has incredible stick. It bonds to old concrete at a molecular level. Unlike standard cement, which just sits in the crack like dirt, the vinyl matrix grabs the walls of the fracture. It's flexible enough to handle the 9% expansion of ice without popping out. Option C, the $1 miracle, dry flow filler. This is the one contractors truly hate. There are now water-activated dry powders sold in bottles. You literally pour the dry powder into the crack like you're pouring salt. You level it with a playing card. Then you mist it with a spray bottle. No mixing, no buckets, no mess. It turns into stone in 45 minutes. It is the ultimate I don't have time for this repair. Here is your ready-to-go checklist. If you follow this, your repair will outlive the contractor's truck. Step 1. The purge. A repair is only as good as the surface it bonds to. Take a wire brush or a pressure washer and scream through that crack. Remove the dirt, the moss, and the loose bits of old concrete. If the crack is too thin, less than 1/8 of an inch, take a masonry chisel and widen it slightly. You want to create a V or U shape. This gives the powder a seat to sit in. Step 2. The injection. If you're using hydraulic cement, mix it to the consistency of stiff cookie dough. Do not overwater it. You want it to hold its shape. Press it into the crack with a flat putty knife. Pack it. Force the air out. Remember, this stuff sets in 3 to 5 minutes. Work in small batches. If you're using the dry flow powder, just pour and mist. Step 3. The secret seal. This is where 100% of contractors fail on purpose. Once your patch is dry, you must seal it. An acrylic concrete sealer costs $10 for a gallon that covers your entire driveway. It creates a hydrophobic barrier. Water beads off it like a waxed car. If water can't get in, the ice can't expand. If the ice can't expand, the crack never returns. Let's look at the numbers because the math doesn't lie. Contractor estimate, $1,200 to $3,500. Your cost, $15 for powder, plus $10 for sealer, plus $10 for labor. Time invested, 15 minutes of work, 24 hours of curing. Across 140 million homes in America, the average household spends $2,000 on driveway and walkway maintenance over a 10-year period. 95% of that is profit for the industry. Multiply $2,000 by 140 million. That is the size of the wealth transfer happening from your pocket to the empire. They tell you it's dangerous to do this yourself. They tell you that you might damage the substrate. Let's be real. It's a rock. You are putting a liquid rock into a hole in a solid rock. This isn't rocket science. It's basic chemistry that the Romans mastered before the invention of the stirrup. The industry is changing. They are currently lobbying for right to repair restrictions in some states, trying to classify certain masonry products as commercial use only. They see the tide turning. They see people like you watching videos like this. They want you to stay in the dark. They want you to believe that modern means better. But modern actually means more profitable for them. Your grandparents didn't have this problem. They had a bag of cement, a trowel, and the common sense to know that a crack is just a hole that needs filling. They were qualified because they weren't afraid to get their hands dirty. Today, you reclaim that. You take back the $2,000. You take back the control of your property. If you found value in this, if this vault opened your eyes, do 2 things right now. First, hit subscribe. We are digging into the things they've buried for decades. The light bulb that never burns out, the paint that never fades, and the automotive fluids that the manufacturers hope you never find. Second, share this video. Every share is a middle finger to the marketing departments of the $14 billion concrete empire. Every share helps a neighbor save $3,000 they don't have. And remember, the complete vault is linked in the description. It contains the exact brands, the Roman ratios, and the deep dive research into the self-healing chemistry the industry is trying to suppress. Stay with us. Because the next vault we're opening is even heavier. It's about the forever materials they took off the shelves in the 1970s. You don't want to miss it. The knowledge is free. The choice is yours. Fix your concrete. Keep your money. See you in the next vault.